All right, welcome back in here on these little short series that we're doing. This one's going to be how to check how many keywords you have in a campaign. So again, I got Scott with me, who's on our support team. Scott is fantastic. If you haven't talked to Scott, you're missing out. He's fantastic. Let me pull up his screen here. And Scott, how do I know how many keywords are in a campaign?
Yeah, Chris. If a user wants to just see how many keywords they have, within a manual campaign, they would come down to the PPC manager, scroll down below the graph and select the manual campaign, which they want to see the keywords for. So in this case, we're just going to, click on this campaign individually till that pulls that up, and that will filter that campaign out. We'll scroll back up to the top of the screen and click on this targeting tab. So from here, the users can see all of the keywords that are added within the campaigns. So this is kind of a great way to see how those keywords are performing individually. The user can sort by the ACoS percentage, they can sort by that profit, the bid on the actual keyword. So all of those stats for those keywords display here. And it's really a great way to come in here, either edit these keywords, either pause them or kind of manually change the bids. Or just see the stats of what's actually happening with the keywords on those campaigns.
Very cool. And can you touch on that little Sellozo badge next to those keywords? That's a newer feature that we've seen here. What does that look like? What's that mean?
Yeah, so this means that anytime a keyword is added, within the software or added by Sellozo, that will display within the campaigns.
Awesome. So so when we create a exact match keyword for you, we're going to create that keyword for you in that campaign, and then we'll add that way Sellozo created it for you. Is that right?
Yep, that's right. That's right. So it's a really great way to see that the software is actually adding those keywords based on the converting search terms that are happening within your campaigns.
Very cool. Very cool. Well, I think that does it.
Awesome. Thanks, Chris.
We'll see you.